No? Hi, grade 1 and 2. We are back for some phonographics lessons. Today, we are going to review sing some of our favorite songs, and after we are going to do a 6-word dictation. So you need your yellow duotang and a pen or pencil to write 6 words after. So if you don't have that, you can pause the video now and get ready. Are we ready?
Perfect. We're going to do the singing first, boys and girls. So you can get yourself ready with your Arnie Aardvark nose. Remember, Arnie Aardvark is the sound for that sound R, and the 2 letters are AR that make Arnie Aardvark. Here we go.
Arnie Aardvark, Arnie Aardvark, hangs from bars with one arm. AR is for Arnie, hanging from a high bar with one arm, with one arm.
Good job.
Great work. Our next song is going to be Chauncey Chipmunk, and we know that Chauncey Chipmunk chops up chunks of cheddar cheese. This one's a little bit tricky for your tongue, so get ready. You can sing along, moms and dads too, if you'd like to, but our sound and our sound is ch, and our action is like chopping when we talk about the sound ch. All right.
Chauncey Chipmunk chops up chunks of cheddar cheese. Chop, chop, to make cheesy chocolate chowder for his chums. Chop, chop, CH is for Chauncey's chowder. Chewy, cheesy chocolate chowder. Chauncey Chipmunk chews the chowder with his chums. Chop, chop.
Oh, that was a hard one. I got tricked a couple of times too. So if you need to, sing it again. But we will keep going with our next song, which is Lulu's Loose Tooth. So for Lulu, we're talking about the sound ooh, and here's our action, ooh, like a loose tooth. And there are 5 different ways we can write that ooh sound. So we could have O-O, like in the word tooth. And we can have U-I, like in the word suit. We can have OU, like in Lulu, U and a bumper E, and we see that in the word flute. And then EW we see in the word chew, and in the word new, like new tooth. So when we get to this part down here, you're going to have to really get your fingers going with that OO and OU.
And we will try our best too.
Yes. 2. That has
Are we
2
ready?
O's in it as well. Yeah.
There we go.
There you go. Okay, we're ready.
Okay, here we go. I'm nervous.
Everybody ready? All right. We're going to have our flute ready.
Okay.
While tooting on her new tooth, Lulu bumped a loose tooth. A new tooth was about to come. Out came the loose tooth.
Here we go.
O spells the ooh in tooth. O-U spells ooh in Lulu. U-E spells the ooh in flute. E-W-U's for new tooth.
We did it.
We did
Give
it.
yourself a pat on the
Sort
back.
of.
Yay.
Good job. We're rusty,
right.
Mrs. Harvey.
I know, that's right. We have one more before we do your 6 words today, and we're going to do whirling Irving. So get ready with your whirling Irving. And we know that we have 3 different ways for that sound to write it. We have IR, like in the word bird, and also like in whirling Irving, that makes that sound. We have ER, we see that a lot of the time at the end of words, like in teacher. And we have UR, and we see that in words as well, like the word church, which might be a clue for later. All right.
Irving's whirling round in circles, jerky turns, jerky turns. IR is for Irving, ER is for jerky. You are turn, you are turn.
again, you can always rewind and watch again, but you need to get your pen or pencil ready and your 6 boxes in your yellow duotang. We are about to write our words together. All right, so are we able to make this bigger, Miss McLeod? Can we do a full screen or no? No, maybe not.
I think we're okay.
Okay.
We'll just write the words really big for you guys.
Perfect.
Oh no.
Miss McLeod just got a new tripod, and we're having a little bit of difficulty making it stable. So thanks for bearing with us, everybody. All right, the first word we're going to write today starts with the code line, dot.
Okay, I'm going to do the codes and you're going to do the spelling today. Does that
Okay,
sound good?
that sounds good.
Okay.
All right, and the word, boys and girls, is the word shark. All right, it has 3 sounds. Here we go. We see if it has a line. For those of you that don't remember our codes, or some of you that were new to our school, if it has a line, it means that there are 2 letters or more making 1 sound.
Yeah.
If it just has a dot, that means that there is 1 letter making 1 sound. All right.
All right.
So for the word shark, here we go. Sh, R, k. One more time. Sh, R, k. What do you think? What do you think you hear? What says shh? You're right. It's like shaving with a shark's tooth. It's SH for that sh sound. And of course, we just sang R for
Arnie Aardvark.
You are right. And it's AR is for Arnie.
And k,
But just 1 letter.
yeah, k can be 2 letters, can't it?
Good.
I know Mrs. Harvey's saying that this one is a K.
Yeah.
It wouldn't look right if there was a C at the end of shark.
That's right. Not in English do we usually
No.
see a C by itself at the end of a word, making a k sound. Right, shark. All right.
Okay, this is a fun one.
Ooh, okay. This next word, Miss McLeod gave us a code we know has 2 letters making 1 sound, 2 letters making 1 sound, and 2 letters making 1 sound. Line, line, line. Your turn.
And think about the songs that we just sang, because all of the words we're writing have the sounds that we just sang.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right.
Ready?
Word. All right.
are we ready?
Church. Oh, I'll do the whole.
Oh,
whole
you
word.
did the word. Okay.
Ready? Hey,
Sorry.
how about we be like the kids?
Okay.
I'll do it, and then you do
Okay,
that. Okay,
sure.
ready? Word.
Church. What?
I go word.
Fail.
You go word. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Miss McLeod hasn't been in
Okay.
our class. Yeah. Word. And then you say word.
Word.
Church.
Church.
Good job. 3 sounds.
Okay.
And here they are. Ch, ch, ch. What do you think you hear, boys and girls? We'll do it one more time. Ch, ch.
Ooh,
All right.
Can I write this one?
Yes, here, take the blue.
I know for sure, Mrs. Harvey's saying, I heard the same sound at the beginning and the end.
Let me see if she's right. Ch, ch.
I
Do you
mean,
think she's right? Yeah.
I'm not sure what the middle is though, because I know there's lots of sounds. Can you try and figure out?
Well, what could say ER could say IR could say and UR could say Which one do you think it is? If you guessed UR today, you're right. Would the other ones make sense if you were writing? Yeah, they would. Just to make this word look right though, it has to have the UR.
Yeah.
So great job, your turn.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, this word has, okay, we're ready for this? We'll try not to make it a comedy routine this time. Word. Glue.
Glue.
3 sounds.
3 sounds.
G.
Ooh.
Ooh. Glue. What do you think
Oh.
you hear? We know that there is a letter making its own sound right here for G. What
G.
is that?
That's easy.
Yeah,
Mrs. Harvey.
just like Grayson, it's a G. And then
Ooh.
Ooh.
Way back to the beginning. We know that's an L.
You betcha. And what makes that ooh sound? We just sang Lulu and we decided it could be O-O. It could be O-U. It could be U-E. It could be U-I. It could be U with a bumper E. Oh man, which one is it? Which one would look right? What do you think, Miss McLeod?
I think It's a UE.
You're right. If you think about when you see it in books or maybe see it written on the board in your classroom, it is a UE to make this word look right. Please write blue.
Should we trace this one? Or no?
All right, the next word, boys and girls, yes, your code is dot, dot, line, dot. And the word, Miss McLeod wants to act it out
Okay.
for you without
Can we do it
sounds.
together?
Okay, let's do it together.
Okay,
Ready?
Okay, let's try
Ooh,
that again.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Now, if that was too hard for you, it's okay. Let's try it again with sounds. If you know it already, just wait for us. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Whirl.
Blend those sounds
Let's put them all together. Let's go faster to blend them.
Whirl.
We have an action
We got it!
It is twirl. You are right. What do you hear at the beginning of the word twirl? Just like Trinity, we hear that T sound.
Really?
And of course, not all of our parents know our actions yet, so boys and girls, so help them out. So we have T, and what's W? It's like there's water on your face. That's right. So it's that W sound. And for the sound, this time it's an IR. Twirl, and we finish with that L. Good job.
Good job.
Twirl, right twirl.
Ooh, my favorite.
Just gonna pull that L down just a little bit more. It shouldn't be floating. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go back to your word. Word. I can do it.
Okay,
Let me
here we
try
go,
it.
right?
Okay, ready?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Word.
Word.
Tooth.
Tooth. 3 sounds.
3 sounds.
Here we go.
Ready?
Ooh. It's like that Thirsty Thursday, right? Ooh. Miss McLeod. Oh my gosh, we have too much fun together, boys and girls. All right, here we go. Here, what do you hear in the word tooth? You've got it just like twirl. We hear a T.
And ooh.
Ooh.
You know this one.
That one's the O-O sound, just like in the word boo or in the word to.
And like our thick, thorny thing.
That's right, is a T and an H.
Good job. Okay, last one. Okay.
All right, we have just 2 sounds in this word, but we know we have more than one letter making the sound together and more than one letter making the sound together. So that's our secret code, line, line. And the word is
Word.
2 sounds.
2 sounds.
Chew.
Chew.
Here are the sounds. Ch.
Ooh.
What says ch?
I know that one. Chop. CH.
You bet. And then what makes that ooh sound? It could be lots. Again,
Yeah.
it could be EW. It could be UE. It could be OO. It could be UI. It could be U with a bumper E making the U say ooh.
Well, I know it can't be this one, Mrs. Herbie-Sane, because
Oh, yeah.
the code doesn't match.
That's right.
And this does not look right for the end of a sentence.
No, if I wrote that word, it would be like I was making the sound of a train. Choo, choo.
And this does not look right to have a word with an I at the end.
Yeah.
I think it's this one.
I think you're right. Chew. Boys and girls, write the EW at the end and write chew. Take your time. Make sure this printing looks nice. And we hope you have a great day. Thanks for working with us.